Hi everyone, Sinan from Car Inspected here. Today we're under the engine of an N55. This is a 2011 3 Series all-wheel drive. We had the engine replaced and the car's been having a low oil pressure problem from the donor engine. I just want to show you a couple of things that are very, very important. First of all, the donor engine was an X5. You can see the part number is not the same. So this is the original oil sump. This is the original engine. And the reason for the engine failure is cylinder number 6 rod bearing. There's a lot of play and there is a lot of damage to the bearing. I'm still going to take the crankshaft out. I want to compare it to a normal bearing for you. Sorry for taking long, it's just, there you go. This is a normally worn bearing. You can see how thick it is. You can see the journal, how clean it is. This is the journal of the damaged piston, of the damaged rod, or of the damaged journal. You can see the color difference because this one burned. It was basically compressing. This is a very thick edge. So the damage was basically done mainly to the rod. I'm gonna take the crankshaft out, send it to a machine shop to see if it's salvageable. But based on this, I can pretty much conclude that the crankshaft is toast. But I'll just let a machine shop do the job and do the work. Now, going back to the oil pan. I'm just putting this lightly here. Now, if you look inside, you'll see this is the original one. Even though it's a different part number, I do have the O-ring, which I'm going to be replacing before the installation. Look inside here. You're going to see this is the original engine. So this is this engine here. This is the oil sump. Now, this is the oil sump of the donor engine. So I have no idea what the hell happened. Oh, this is some bits of that belt. That's a serpentine belt that got ingested into the engine. Wow. Okay, well, anyway, so at least we found the problem. All pistons are nice and clean. No need to open up any further. This is cylinder number 1. Oil pump seems to be functional. Well, you can see how this is all. Oh, you can see some of the belt that, yeah. I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. Gonna have to take a screwdriver and clean it pretty good and just inspect it thoroughly before putting things back together. Now I'm kind of worried. I hope that there is no rubber that got chewed up. Well, yeah, you can see the O-ring is new. So that's really weird. It seems like the seller, the engine seller, just removed the crankshaft put in a new O-ring, put everything back together, didn't even bother cleaning the undercarriage of the oil pan. So anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video. Well, it's not really quick, it's more than 5 minutes now, but that is, to me, that shows the cause of the low oil pressure, and then the oil sump differences between part ending 37 and part ending in 38. Now, the part ending in 38 is the one for the X5, BMW X5. The one ending in 37 is the one for the N55 for a 3 Series, so for the E90. Now, they look identical. I don't know why is there a different part number. Maybe just the angle here versus here. Even that looks almost the same to me. Anyway, so we finally found the issue, and we'll put things back together, and hopefully she will live for a long time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.